Welcome to day 26, Yankee Doodle. Take a look at measure 2. It has a lip slur in it, and you can think of ta 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 da because the last note is the slurred one. So practice measure 2 before you play anything. And as always, let's get our first note. I will play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. I'll give 1, 2, and then 2 counts of silence before you come in. 1, 2. Let's get the harmony note. 1, 2. With the harmony, I'm not even 100% sure whether I got all of the notes right. I know the high D didn't come out exactly right. So you actually maybe want to play it on a keyboard where the note is guaranteed and you can get that harmony line in your head before you play. If this video helped you or you had fun playing along with it, give it a thumbs up. Have a great day.